Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to present your video with audio and sound in Google Meet. Alright, so first step is you have to upload your video in YouTube. Okay, so assuming that you already uploaded your video in YouTube, the next step is you have to open the YouTube video using a web browser. It could be Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Next is click Present Now. Select a Chrome tab. Then click the YouTube tab of your video. Then click Share Audio. Then click Share. So at that time, you can already play your video via YouTube, and your participant will now be able to view your video with audio during your presentations. So that's all for presenting your video with audio using Google Meet. Good day!